If you're interested in all things motorcycle, ranging from the gear we use to news from around the world, including the 2021 Kawasaki ZX-10R and ZX-10RR, stick around to find out more. So guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, and if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe for this and all future content. So today we're going to be talking about the new 2021 Kawasaki ZX-10R and ZX-10RR. So let's get stuck in. For 2021, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R is going to be priced at £15,799. Power output, we're looking at 200 bhp from a 998 liquid-cooled CC 4-cylinder engine with a curb weight of 207 kilos. Torque figures, we're looking at approximately 85 to 90 foot-pounds of torque with a top speed of 185 miles an hour. Suspension, we're looking at 43mm Showa balance-free forks. Brakes, we're looking at 330mm discs with Brembo M50 monoblock calipers. Fuel tank capacity for this year, we're looking at around 17 litres, which is pretty standard for most sports bikes these days. But where the real trickery comes into it is the new electronics. The ZX-10R has been fitted out with a new IMU with new power modes, quick shifter, ABS and cornering management system as standard. This year as well, we see the introduction of a 4.3-inch TFT dash, which you can change in two colour options, from black and white or white and black. The ZX-10RR, however, price tag, you're looking at £24,799. Power output, you're looking at a little bit more than the ZX-10R. You're looking at 204 bhp, again from the same 998cc liquid-cooled 4-cylinder engine with a curb weight of 207 kilos. Torque figures, you're looking at again approximately 85 to 90 foot-pounds of torque with a top speed of 185 miles an hour. Also this year with the ZX-10RR, it is also furnished with 43mm Showa balance-free forks and 330mm discs with Brembo M50 calipers. Fuel tank capacity, just like the R, is also 17 litres. However, this is where things start to get a little bit interesting. The new ZX-10RR has had its rev limiter increased by 400 RPM, which in essence gives you a longer rev range to string up the gears. So therefore, you're not rapidly changing through gears and stuff like that, where if you need to hold a gear from corner to corner on a racetrack or whatever, you can quite easily wind it on and keep going without any issue. The real advantages for the ZX-10RR compared to the R is in the engine revisions. And what they have done, they have put titanium conrods, lightweight pistons, and forged Marcassini wheels. Also, the ZX-10RR has been limited to 500 units. Now, whether this is 500 units for the UK market or European market or world market, I'm not 100% sure. That being said, the main debating point with the new ZX-10 is what the fairings look like. Now I'm going to throw up a picture of what the front end of the ZX-10R and RR are going to look like, and you tell me what you think. Personally speaking, I was never a huge fan of the ZX-10 in general, but this new weird sort of, I don't know, Hoover mouth sort of shaped ZX-10, it's starting to grow on me a little bit. I'm not really a huge fan of most Japanese bikes. As people will know, me personally, I prefer things like Suzuki's or Yamahas. What I will say is that the bike looks very, very different for this year compared to what you saw last year and years gone by. Kawasaki have literally gone and thrown it out there that they've brought out this brand new looking kind of almost Ram Air scoop kind of design, like back in the day when like the Suzuki's and Yamahas first started doing it. Like with Yamaha and their Delta Box frame and Suzuki's with their S-Rad Ram Air Direct. They've seemed to have almost reinvented the Ram Air induction, but also gone back a little bit in terms of overall looks. I don't know, you tell me. Do you think the ZX-10 looks good or does it look bad? I'm on the fence about it. So, in conclusion, what do we all think of the ZX-10? Do we think they're going to sell well? Yeah, definitely. Kawasaki's always sell well. Do we think they're going to get another World Superbike title? Most likely. Who knows? Are they going to do well in BSB? Who can say? Kawasaki's have in the past with Shane Byrne and so on. So, we'll see. So, my final thoughts on the ZX-10R and the RR. I would say it's a good looking bike from certain angles. I can't deny that. It's got very, very impressive stats for both the R and the RR. It's unfortunate that the RR has been limited to 500 units, but you never know, that might change. 500 units maybe just for the European market or for the UK market. Who knows? We'll see. I think they'll do well in British showrooms. I think they'll do well on the world stage. I think they'll do well in the domestic series and stuff like that. But for me, I'm undecided. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Is it a good looking bike? Is it not a good looking bike? Will it do well? Will it not? You know, I love getting your guys' feedback. I love you guys getting involved. You know, please feel free to subscribe, comment, and all that good stuff. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it. If you did, feel free to give me a thumbs up. feel free to drop me a comment, and more importantly, drop me a sub. I am looking to try and hit 100,000 subscribers this year, and every little helps. So if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe. Let's get to 100,000 subscribers. So for now, this is me, Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, saying look after yourselves, look after each other, stay safe on the road. By all means, be careful with the whole snow and whatever else that we're currently getting in the UK and the crappy weather. But for now, as always, ladies and gents, love you all. Adios.